Welcome, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide to integrating Stoic wisdom into your modern life. Today, we'll explore an intriguing concept from the wise Seneca. Find yourself a Cato, outlined in the Moral Letters to Lucilius. This idea from our 70th day of practice can be transformative in the way we approach our daily actions and decisions. Seneca's quote sets the stage. Many sins could be avoided if, when we were about to commit them, a witness were present. Let the soul find someone whom it holds in high regard, whose example helps cleanse even its deepest recesses. Happy is he who, even if only present in another's thoughts, can correct them. Let's unpack this. Seneca urges us to imagine a wise and virtuous person like Cato the Younger, who lived with unwavering discipline and stood firmly against Julius Caesar's overreach. Cato didn't leave behind texts or teachings, but his courage and moral integrity profoundly impacted Stoicism. This thought experiment isn't about having a physical person beside you, but cultivating a mental presence of someone you deeply respect. Imagine Cato witnessing your actions. Would that change how you behave? Just envisioning this moral monitor can steer us away from dishonorable actions, helping us align with our highest values. It's like having a mental checkpoint for our conscience. Interestingly, the economist Adam Smith shared a similar idea with his concept of the impartial spectator, a mental construct of an objective observer who watches and judges our actions. This doesn't necessarily have to be a real person. It can be the embodiment of the virtues and principles we strive to uphold. Now, why Cato? His life was defined by incredible self-discipline and ethical steadfastness, qualities Stoicism celebrates. When we invoke Cato's presence in our minds, we have a powerful internal guide to help navigate moral decisions and avoid errors in judgment. Try to think of someone in your life or from history whose values resonate with you, who could serve as your personal moral compass. This mental role model can be a dynamic tool in our quest for self-improvement and moral clarity. Imagine you're about to react impulsively or unethically in a situation. Pausing to think, what would Cato do? Or what would your selected guide do, can refocus your mind and actions towards more thoughtful, virtuous behavior. Over time, this practice can become second nature, continually reminding you to act with integrity and wisdom. But it doesn't stop there. If we live and conduct ourselves rightly, we too can become a Cato or an impartial spectator for someone else in need. Our actions and example can influence and inspire others to pursue virtue, creating a ripple effect of moral betterment in our communities. So, how do you start implementing this practice? Here's a simple Stoic challenge for you. Pick a person, someone you admire for their virtues, whether real or historical. Commit to invoking this person's mental presence throughout your day. Before acting or making decisions, ask yourself, what would they think of my actions? This consistent reflection can help you develop the self-discipline and moral clarity that Stoicism advocates. To wrap up, Seneca's advice to find yourself a Cato invites us to adopt a mental guide, an exemplar of virtue, to steer our actions. By doing so, we create a constant internal reminder to act honorably, helping us avoid pitfalls and fostering resilience in our journey to being our best selves. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this concept, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom on living a resilient and virtuous life. Until next time, remember to keep your Cato close and stay true to your highest self.